Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set backtap to open background sounds on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and tap on accessibility. Next, tap on touch. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on back tap. Next in here you could choose double tap or triple tap. I'm going to select double tap. Now scroll down to the accessibility section and then tap on background sounds. And after you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. So from here on you can double tap at the back to turn on background sound or switch it off. Now if you do not hear the background sound, you may want to check your volume to make sure your volume is turned on. Double tap on it again to switch it off and double tap to switch it on. Here we got background sound. Double tap again to switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.